Hey everybody, it's Coach V. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Analysis. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Analysis where we do a mental analysis on our mental honey before the chart opens. And I really feel like this episode is definitely needed because the market was marketing. Okay, I don't know what was going on, but the market was marketing. So I'm going to go ahead and break down ES. So, first thing we're going to do is we are on the 4 hour. So, we are essentially looking at market structure to determine what our bias is going to be for the day. This is pre-market analysis. So, as you can see, we pushed up and made a high, made a higher low, a lower high, pushed down, created a lower low, pushed up, created a lower high. So, at this point, you're going to mark out the most recent high and the most recent low on the 4 hour, because we are already determining that we are entering into the market for a bearish trend. So I marked out the most recent high and the most recent low, right? So now I scale down to the 1 hour because I need to see what's going on, right? And sometimes I'll just kind of stay on the 4 hour because I need to break the structure. I need something to let me know which direction we're going to go. So we're going to play it out. And mind you, on the 1 hour, we mark out our most recent high, which is right here, right? So you see that the market pushed up. We have another breaker structure right here. This candle right here was at 9 o'clock. So this was at market open, and you know how it go. It pushes up, sweeps some liquidity before it pushes further down. So now we are waiting for price to pull back, give us a healthy pullback, and do a continuation down. So this is when I grab my field tool. I measure the indication when price actually broke structure right here, just to see how we are going to look when we pull back. So then I scale down to the 10 minutes, and this is just a fib entry, nothing fancy, just Fibonacci measurements. And so now we wait because the market is pushing down, but we needed to pull back up. So as you can see, price pulled back up to the 78.6%. It gave us a rejection candle. I can go ahead and enter in for a sell. Why? Because we pushed up and we rejected a level of our Fibonacci tool. So because we rejected that level, now I am confident with entering into the market. And it seems so simple, right? It seems so simple to enter, at this point. But a lot of people will feel like, hey, like, why are you entering? Well, I'm entering because this pullback was a deep pullback. I have a rejection candle. So now my stop loss is going to be down here at the 27%. I'm sorry, my TP is going to be down here at the 27%. Why? Because the wicks are already showing me where price wants to go. I could actually bring it down here to the 61.8%, right? And also, my stop loss is going to be above structure, right? So again, you like to give your trade some room to breathe, okay? Don't be all up on it. Give it some room to breathe, okay? Because essentially when you are putting your stop loss, you are putting it above liquidity to where you don't get swept out, honey, okay? So now we are entering to the market. We're going to let the market play out. And what you see is that we continue to push down. We gave a slight pullback and we continued down and got out the market, okay? Like I said, it seems very simple. This is why I say all you really need is market structure, honey. Like, study market structure. Become a whiz at it. If you need a market structure course, go ahead and click the link in my bio, because I have an academy that goes over market structure, goes over everything that kills all the noise when it comes to trading, because there is so much information and you can have information overload. So with my academy, we get straight to the point. What do I need to know? How do I need to execute? Okay, that's all you need to know. Sweep out all the noise. So go ahead and click the link in my bio for my community where we look at these charts together, honey, and get through it. Okay, so this was a really quick video because the market really played out pretty nice. It did play around a little bit all day because there was news, but hey, we still took the TP. So I want you all to have an amazing, amazing week. I'm so excited for my Wave 1 crew, honey, for the mentorship. So be on the lookout for Wave 2. But Wave 1, baby, we're about to lock in for the next 4 weeks and watch this team grow, honey. Ashe. And I am just excited about this new journey as far as trading.